Alrighty guys, last part's just gonna be a quick one, show you where this stuff all goes. To start off, this one turns right back around, clips onto there. This thing is gonna go right down into this hole, just like that. You guys can't see that, huh? And this goes into a hole down there, and then there's these two little screws right here that you're gonna put on there if I don't drop them inside of the pump. Okay, these will go over. Can you see? Oh, come on. All right, this one plugs into here. It's keyed. It only fits in there one way, so make sure you do it. Replace your torque converter. What's it called? I think it's the lockup solenoid, but don't quote me on that. Goes in there, clicks in, and then this goes like that, like that. And then I'll scoot this forward so you guys can see the last two. The last three. So these ones, they go in like this. If I can get it in there. So 1, 2, and then this one does like a little left-hand turn and goes inside of there, just like that. And this goes underneath there to hold it in place. That goes down like that. Goes around that. It's since it's a new harness, it's going to be kind of stiff, so it's not going to want to stay very good. So I will probably put something heavy on top of it to kind of form it. So when I put it in the pan, it stays in there. But as of right now, she's done. That's it. Last but not least is put the what the heck am I thinking? The thing that goes over it when it's underneath transmission pan. Gosh. Get the transmission pan, you'll put your gasket on, transmission pan, and you're good to go. So, thanks for sticking around, guys. This has been quite the experience for me. It's been fun, and I'm glad I finally did it. Learned about it. Patience is a virtue when it comes to this. I researched and researched and researched for weeks before I did this. Just because I didn't want to mess anything up, and I've had a pretty rough track record from my younger days of being impatient with stuff, and then ended up costing a lot more money than I needed to because of that. So this is my first shot at doing a 4L60E, and I will hopefully get it in the truck in the next few days. Still waiting on my torque converter to come in. I'm sure it'll be here Tuesday, Wednesday by the latest, so 4 days from now at the latest, and then I'll get it in my truck and test drive it. Until then, keep on keeping on. Thanks. Bye.